Giving the 2001 Trx400 the V-Touch.
I'm just gonna show y'all how the bike start before, just so y'all can see. Alright, y'all see how I run this before. But we're gonna go through everything and see what's going on, but y'all already know the vibes, man. All right, y'all, with the valves, with his valve clearances, I'm not gonna lie, his valve clearances, all his valve clearances is horrible. I'm not even gonna lie. The gauge won't even get through none of all his valves, his intakes of his exhaust valves. So he needed a valve adjustment real bad. This bike wasn't gonna do nothing at all. Yeah, this bike wasn't gonna run good at all. I'm surprised he was riding it. All his valve adjustments is bad, y'all. So, yeah, all on tight. He don't got no type of clearance between none of his valves. No clearance. Look how tight that is. That's too tight. So y'all already know I'm gonna adjust his valve. And y'all already know the vibes, man. Get in and get cycles. Nice and smooth on all his valves. Alright, we're gonna be putting, that's the Chinese carburetor that was on the bike. We're gonna be putting the OEM carburetor back on it. So we're gonna blow through everything. Y'all already know, man, the V-Touch, man. Get it and get cycles. South Florida vibe.